قل أعوذ برب الناس. With spelling Qaf, Pesh, Lam, Qul. The sound of Qaf will be thick and heavy, and Lam just simple. Qul, Qaf, Pesh, Lam, Qul. Hamza, Zabar, A. Hamza, Zabar, A. Yes, it is written Alif, but it is Hamza because when Alif has Jazm, Zabar, Zir and Pesh and any vowel, then Alif will be read as Hamza. That's why I am spelling with Hamza. Hamza, Zabar, A. Zabar means to shorten the sound of a letter. That's why we can't read it A. It is A. Hamza, Zabar, A. The next, Ain, Pesh, Vav, U. Here, Ain and Vav, it is Madda. It will be stretched for 2 seconds. Ain, Pesh, Vav, U. Qul, A'u. Zal, Pesh, Zu. Again, Pesh on Zal, Pesh, Zabar, Zain and Pesh to shorten the sound. Zal, Pesh, Zu. Qul, A'udhu. The next, Ba, Zir, Bi. Ra, Zabar, Ba, Rabb. Ra, Zabar. It means Ra will be read here thick with heavy sound. Ra, Zabar, Ba, Rabb. If Ra has Zabar or Pesh on it, then Ra will be read as heavy sound, with heavy sound. Bi Rabb. And then Ba, Zir, Noon, Bin. Bi Rabb, Bin. The Ba that has Tashdeed, Bi Rabb, Bin. Tashdeed means this Ba will be read twice. The first with Ra, Zabar, Ba, Rabb, and the second Ba, Zir, Noon, Bin, Bi Rabb, Bin, and Noon again will be read twice because Noon has the same Tashdeed. Ba, Zir, Noon, Bin, 1, and then Noon, Zabar, Alif, Na, Bi Rabb, Bin, Na. Noon will be stretched here because Noon, Zabar, Alif, Na. There is Zabar before Alif. In this situation, Alif is Madda and Madda will be stretched up to 2 seconds. Bi Rabbin, and then Sin, Zer, Si. Bi Rabbin Nasi. Now the full verse. Qul a'udhu bi Rabbin Nasi. Now the next circle sign, the sign of Ayah, it will affect the last letter of the verse, that is Sin. Sin has Zer. We know Zabar, Zer and Pesh is changed with Jazm when there is stop. That's why Bi Rabbin Nas. Qul a'udhu bi Rabbin Nas. The sign of Lam, Alif, La above the sign of Ayah means it is better not to stop here. But Ayah is the sign of stop. It means the reciter is allowed, is permissible. If he or she want to stop here, then he or she permissible, they can stop. But if they want to read continuously without stopping here, then Lam, Alif, La indicating them, they can read continuously. Okay, Assalamu alaikum.